Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of GlucoZen X drops. So GlucoZen X drops are basically a dietary supplement. These drops are going to help you a lot by providing you with a proper sport formula. As you can see, they are giving a bold claims like it will provide you support to your overall healthy body circulation, and it will boost your energy level, and it also provides the cardiovascular support. And they're claiming that all the ingredients are actually high quality and natural. So once I tried to search for the list of ingredients that are included in this product, I was unable to find any ingredient. So this is a major red flag because you will not know what you're actually having in your meal. And apart from that, once I tried reaching out to their official website is also not accessible. So this is also a major red flag. And once I tried searching for the drops on the FDA, it was not approved by the FDA, and the FDA clearly stated that they don't actually prove those kind of miracle cures, as they are claiming a bold claim in just these supplement drops. So this is also a miracle kind of cure, and the domain name was registered back in 2024. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on these evidences, these drops are not actually legit and you should avoid taking this. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.